Hello guys, another video. This one is gonna be about, I have the train horns, and I always wanted to put the valve, the chrome valve that they put here that looks really nice. It's kind of pricey though, but it looks really nice. But I got the problem that I don't have the space. Plus, this is a freightliner FLD. I mean, it's not a Peterbilt, but I came up with an idea. I've never done it. This is gonna be my first time. So this is what I did. I bought this on eBay. I'm sorry, on Amazon. This an air valve. What it's gonna do is gonna make the air go through it, but I mean, I'm gonna run it through the tank ½ inch. I believe the one existing is like a ¼ inch. It's really small. I had it hooked up to the actual the original right here, where you pull. It's like a ¼ inch thick, and you get your horn. But I mean, it's just a ¼ inch, and even though it was a ¼ inch, it was kind of loud. But I always wanted to make it louder, so I bought this. This is really easy to hook up. Either one goes to ground, and the other one to the power. So my plan is already kind of started. This is the panel that goes here. I installed this little switch. I don't even know where I got it from. I had it. It's a touch switch, so when you touch it, it passes power to the other end. And I grabbed the power from the optional switch right here. These optional switches on these trucks, they have power pre-wired to those two. On this one, I got my amplifier for the music, so I don't have the bass all the time. So I'm gonna show you now how it actually works, so you guys can see how it works. I just hook up either one to ground, which I put the yellow on ground. I just put it right here for now, and I got the power, as I said, coming out of the optional switch, going to the little switch I showed you before. And you're gonna see how it clicks. I don't know if you can actually hear it. Every time I push it, 1, 2, 3. So every time I push it, the air is gonna flow through there like crazy. I'm already excited to see how it's gonna sound, because as I said, it was even loud before. So now I wanna do the plumbing. I'm gonna show you now what's the plan. Alright, so I'm gonna start do the plumbing. This has an arrow showing the way the flow is gonna go, so make sure you put it properly. This is what I'm gonna do. You gotta go from ½ inch thread to 5/8 connector. This is what they sold me on the auto and the truck parts. This is a quick connect. That's the only one they had. And this one right here is gonna go to the tank. Actually, this is going on the other side. So pretty much this is how it's going to look. So it's gonna be pretty much like this, and on the other side it's gonna be this piece. It's a reduction, male ½ inch to a ¼ inch female, and then I have this one, which is male to male ¼ inch. This is gonna go to the train horns, This is gonna go to the hose, and this is gonna go to the tank. I'm gonna put all these together with Teflon tape, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look all finished up. Hello guys, today another day. Yesterday I had to stop because it was getting dark. I was able to finish all the plumbing. There it is. You gotta go from 1/4 inch all the way to 1/2 inch. Maybe there is an easy way to do it, but they didn't have enough fittings at the throw parts, so that's how they did it. Then you have the hose, and then you have the valve right here, 1/2 inch going to the tank, the valve, and then a 1/2 inch quick connect. This is a 5/8 hose. It's kind of weird the way it works. You have a 1/2 inch fitting and a 5/8 hose. Why? Because actually the fitting is for the inner diameter. The outer diameter is bigger. That's pretty much how it works. So there it is, guys. It's all finished. I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you can actually see. I grabbed the ground for one of the bolts of the same air valve, and I got the power down there. I run all the way from the underneath the truck, and it's good to go. I got, let me see how much I got. I got like around 40 psi. Let's see. It's actually pretty low, but still it's pretty loud. Check it out. There you go. I'm just gonna change the switch where you can actually see how loud it is. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. As I said, I'll do an upload later on once I change the switch, and I hope you like this video.